Today we're going to discuss interlibrary loan services at the University of Louisville Kornhauser Health Sciences Library. This video will guide users through the process of setting up a new interlibrary loan account, demonstrate how to request articles and books from within library databases and catalogs, and also troubleshoot any issues current users may be having. But before we get into that, let's briefly discuss what interlibrary loan is and how it might be helpful to you as a University of Louisville affiliate. To skip to the section on creating a user account, go to the 2-minute and 17-second mark now. To skip to how to request items, go to the 4-minute and 13-second mark now. Interlibrary loan, which is often abbreviated as ILL, is a service that allows U of L students, faculty, and staff to request full-text articles, books, and other materials that are not owned by U of L. This means that if we don't own the item you're looking for, there's a good chance we can still get it for you by requesting it from another university. ILL services are arranged through reciprocal lending and borrowing agreements with libraries across the country. We provide them with articles and books that we own, and in exchange, they share their collections with us. As a result, everyone in these affiliated libraries has access to more journals and books and other materials than they ever could subscribe to individually. And best of all, this service is provided for free for all U of L students, staff, and faculty. Kornhauser ILL staff are experts at making sure patrons get the materials they need as quickly as possible. The average turnaround time from a patron submitting a request to receiving their requested item is under 4 days. And the department is able to get patrons the materials they ask for 95% of the time. Now that we've discussed what ILL is, we'll now cover how to create an interlibrary loan account for the Kornhauser Library. All Kornhauser interlibrary loan requests are ordered, tracked, and delivered through an ILL management software called Iliad. In order to use our interlibrary loan services, you must sign up for an Iliad account. To create an account or access ILL services, start at the Kornhauser Library homepage, which is library.louisville.edu/Kornhauser. On the right side of the screen is a box that says, Request a book/article. Click here to enter the ILL webpage. The page should say Kornhauser Health Sciences Library, ILL at the top. If you already have an account, this is where you can log in and request items or access any digital items you may have ordered. If you're a new user, click on the First Time Users link at the bottom of the page to create your account. Next, complete all required fields in the new user registration form. Although you are not required to use your louisville.edu email address, it is highly recommended that you do so ILL staff can verify your affiliation with the university. If you do not use your louisville.edu email, staff will have to contact you, and that may delay the time it takes to process any requests. When creating your login information, you are able to choose any username or password that you want, as long as the password is at least 8 characters long, contains a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, and a number. Please be advised that this account is not linked to your ULink account, as many University of Louisville resources are. Therefore, if you need to change your username or forget your username, or need to reset your password, please contact the ILL department directly at kornill@louisville.edu. Now that your account is set up, you can begin requesting materials. One way to do this is from the New Requests drop-down at the top navigation bar. Simply select the material type you're interested in and fill out the corresponding form with as much information as possible. Then submit your request. All pending requests will appear in the Outstanding Requests section. Once an electronic or digital item is received, it will appear under Electronically Received Articles. You will not have the PDF you requested emailed directly to you. Instead, you will receive an email notification that your document is ready, after which you can log into your account and view it here. PDFs will remain in your account for approximately 3 months. This time limit is due to copyright restrictions. At any point during this time period, you can download the PDF to your personal devices, but once the copyright date expires, it will automatically be removed from your account. If you requested a physical item, like a book or DVD, you will receive an email telling you your item is available for pickup at the Kornhauser Library Circulation Desk. Any physical items that you have checked out will be listed here under Checked Out Items. This is also where you will be able to track an item's due date and request renewals. You are also able to order items directly from within databases like PubMed and CINAHL. If you find an article you're interested in, click the Find It at U of L button. If U of L does not own it, you will be taken to a page like this with a blue bar across the center that says Full Text Access is not available. Simply click the Request Item through Interlibrary Loan button, and the citation information for this article will auto-populate into an ILL request form. Click Submit Request, and your article will be moved to Outstanding Requests. Finally, let's finish up with troubleshooting some common problems users may have. If you can't log into your account, or if you've forgotten your username or password, please email kornill@louisville.edu, and Interlibrary Loan staff will be able to reset your password, recover your username, or help you with any other access issues you might be having. Again, that's kornill@louisville.edu. If it's been more than a week and you still haven't received an email notification saying your item was delivered, first check your junk mail to make sure your notification wasn't sorted there accidentally. Next, log into your account and check the status of your request to see if it has in fact been delivered. Finally, make sure the email listed in your profile is correct. If you still have questions, contact the ILL office via email. If you have an account, but you're not sure if it's from Belknap or another campus, log into your ILL account, go to Profile, Update Profile, and make sure that your delivery location is set to Kornhauser Health Sciences Library. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any further questions about interlibrary loan services at Kornhauser Health Sciences Library, please don't hesitate to contact us at any time.